Hi guys. Many students are asking regarding May 2023 CA Inter. Sir, Resta is providing updated materials and updated classes. This is the question many are asking. And by the way, before you conclude, please watch till the end this video at standard speed. Okay. Now, first of all, you know, see, generally, what is the basis for us to prepare the material for any faculty in the market, for any institute in the market? The basis is ICAI material. Correct? Huh? Everyone, both every one of you agree, right? In fact, many students insist on, sir, ICAI materials, all the sums, all the concepts covered or not. This is the basic point which everybody insists on. So, ICAI has last time issued materials in 2021 only. In this year 2022, by the way, I'm recording this video in the 4th week of November 2022. ICAI has not released any material during 2022. ICAI has not given any material in during 2022, which is applicable for May 23 and November 23. They are supposed to receive by they are supposed to release it by September or October, but they didn't. Only for one subject, that too for 60 marks portion, they have given May 2023 material, and that too the subject in CA Inter is paper 4A income tax. Even for paper 4B GST they have not given material. Fine. For rest of all the subjects in group 1, paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A, 4B, 5, 6, 7, 8, in all 8 subjects of CA Inter, whatever material that is applicable for May 2022, November 2022, the same material will apply for May 2023, November 2023 for those students who are in the current scheme. Sir, what about upcoming scheme, proposed scheme? Ignore that topic right now. You're writing for May 23, right? Primary agenda, then focus on this. Ignore about the new scheme. That is not going to come up to November 2023. It is not going to come. Okay. Once it is announced by the institute within 1 or 2 months, we will make a video and guide you. Don't worry. Don't confuse about that. Now the topic is about updated materials. So ICAI itself has not given updated materials. First point. What is the latest material of ICAI available for May 23? 2021 edition. We have prepared all our materials, all the Srestha materials we have prepared based on 2021 edition of ICAI material. All paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A, 4B, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the 8 subjects materials of Srestha which you are going to see are completely updated based on the latest edition of ICAI material. However, for income tax, everyone knows that assessment year will change. For May 2023, what is the assessment year that in income tax will be tested? 2023, 2024. This is the assessment year which they will test. Correct? Nothing but previous year is what? 22, 23 previous year. So only in income tax, in the entire material, years has been changed by ICAI. Income tax May 2023 material is there, no? So which is newly released, only that material. For all other subjects, 740 marks out of 800 for 740 marks, no updated material. Only for income tax 60 marks portion, ICAI has given new material. And you know, we have verified page by page. Each page we have verified. And what is the change we found? You know, only year has been changed. Some students are asking me, sir, income tax updated material came. It's not updated material, only year has been changed. Like for your information, I will show you our income tax amendments material as well. Just a minute. See, for your information, I will even show you our income tax updated material, amendments material, only amendments material. You know, our faculty has completely did a detailed examination, came up with this. You know, please watch this video till then. Very important thing I need to share to you. You know, what are the amendments that were there actually? You know, introduction, we have some 3 amendments, that 2 problems. PGBP, only 1 page amendment. Capital gains, you see, are 20 pages amendments. Sir, why? In capital gains, they were not amendments. In capital gains, cost inflation index number will be changed, no, for the every year. Since the cost inflation index number has been changed, we have given our amendments material which will contain all capital gains problems with the new index number with the new new years. In all other chapters, it is only the year has been changed, extra notifications were added. So all that amendments were compiled in this 50 pages. By the way, amendments were not 50 pages. Capital gains itself is having 20 pages approximately. Not even 20, almost 25 pages is only capital gains material. Why? Because in capital gains, index number has been changed, right? Which means every problem, the answer will change. So that's why we incorporated all the changes in capital gains because of the index number change. In all other chapters, there are no changes to the existing provisions. Few notifications have come, few rules have been added. So that we are going to give you as an amendments video. Like, if at all you're already a registered student who have already taken print out for November 2022 our tax material, even if at all you are ordering the books for now, we are going to give you same November 2022 tax material, and whatever changes in that material were there as per May 2023 ICI booklet, we are going to give you full-fledged amendments videos which will come to 2 to 3 hours. 2 hours I think it might come, but capital gains full videos we will replace. Full all problem explanation things in capital gains we will replace. Total income, there is a chapter. Even in the total income also, there are some problems where capital gain computation involved. Those problems also we are going to give you as a new video. So, especially if at all you already wrote November exam and aspiring to write for May 2023, I am telling you, no need to change your material. Unnecessarily, you're wasting your money. Take these 49 pages print out and keep it with you. Sir, where can we find Srestha materials, sir? Open Srestha application. Open Srestha application. Okay, Google Play Store, download Srestha application. You will find a Srestha for CACMA. Open that. In that, please come to, both the groups subscription model. Just come to that course. I'm not asking you to buy. Just come to that course. Getting it, both the group subscription model. Now below inside that, there is thing called edition 22 materials free download. Click on that. You can download it free. Group 1 materials, all are updated materials. I'm telling you, if you prepare these materials thoroughly along with our classes, if possible, you will be really satisfied with your exam preparation. You will really perform well. Inside that income tax, we have 2 modules. Actually, we will give only 1 book. Within that, 2 parts will be there. Now we are adding 3rd part, amendments assessment year 23-24. Now GST, no change in the material. Supplementary material has been released by ICI. From that we will explain you in the video. That's it. Now what about costing, what about accounts, what about law, what about other laws? The material is exactly same. ICI itself confirmed it in the recent notification. ICI itself has confirmed it. And even for group 2, we have already prepared all these materials and lectures in 2022 year, the same lectures you're going to get. And also for your information, what about our existing classes? Our existing classes, if you look at, May 23, November 23, group 1, entire this, sorry. So entire our accounting classes are completely recorded in 2022 with a view to mainly give these videos for November 22 and May 23 students. Getting it? So just a minute. All these accounting videos. So videos are completely ready, and I'm telling you, today many especially offline physical institutes are saying online versus offline. Everyone have to realize one important fact. Today, the discussion is not about online or offline, how the content is. Very simple example. It is always waste of money and waste of time to go to a cinema theater and watch a waste movie. Rather than that, sitting in home and open OTT platform and watch super hit movie. Simple logic. It's not online, it's not offline, it's not physical, it's not digital. It's where you get the best content. We are promising you, you will feel the best. Okay, accounts. So even, you see accounts updated classes, law. company law. In the past 4 months, we have recorded all the company law videos and other laws. Earlier we have Vikita madam. Now we are also adding Subramaniam sir videos. DV Subramaniam, our law faculty, is there. Company law. He is only going to record new videos, which we are going to upload by December mid. You are watching this video somewhere in the November earned, right? We are going to upload by December mid or December end. Entire other laws will be uploaded. Then costing, if you see. All the videos were newly uploaded in 2022. From somewhere March or April onwards, we have started and we uploaded all the videos. And in addition to this, there are some assignment problems in each chapter, practical question problems, all that also we are going to upload. Getting it? Then coming to taxation, income tax. Income tax, if you observe, our total taxation videos will come minimum 200 plus hours. So that detail, Samba Shiva sir, our faculty Samba Shiva sir, he explains very detailed the subject. Even a student coming from intermediate 11th 12th standard should understand. So that is what his objective was always. So income tax, you see, you'll find 120 videos. These all videos were recorded for November 22 examinations. And I'm telling you, the same videos will apply even for May 2023. Because I told you, the amendments is only just year change. For capital gains, we will give you complete new videos. For total income, wherever capital gains sums were included, we will give you new videos. Don't get misguided. May 2023, new material, new videos. No, don't get misguided. There is no new material from ICI itself. First of all, identify that fact. Getting it? Now, I told you, right? There are some amendments I told, right? For all these amendments, we will give you amendments videos again. So, I just want to conclude one thing. Our Shrestha lectures and our Shrestha materials are very much updated. Only in income tax, there is an amendments of some 40-50 pages. That too because we are giving entire capital gains as amendment, because year has been changed, index number has been changed. Otherwise, all amendments put together is only 20 pages. Hardly 20 pages. Isn't it? Whoever, like if at all you are new to Shrestha, ask your friends, ask your seniors who recommended you Shrestha classes. Take the feedback from them. You will understand how qualitative our classes are, what kind of accountability we take. Getting it? What kind of service that we provide after you buy the course, any doubts, clarification you raise, whatever it is. Getting it? So just I'm doing this video to avoid confusion. So for May 2023, what material is applicable? Whoever has followed November 2022 materials, same materials apply for May 2023. Don't waste your money by taking new materials, new printouts and all. Whatever materials you already used for November 22, same materials will apply for May 2023. You just have to take amendments material. Even if at all you are not a Shrestha student, you studied in some other institute, you got some other book, take our amendments material printout and use it. That's enough. Why you have to relearn everything? When the change is only year, the answer remains the same, the provision remains the same, everything is same. Only the number has been changed. Why you have to relearn everything? Just learn the amendment portion alone. In fact, why we decided to only amendments video? The main reason is, see, we don't want our existing students. There are thousand, I can say more than 1200 students were there who were following group 1 classes or both the group classes with us all together. Getting it? Now, if at all we bring complete new material just for year change, they will confuse. There are some students who joined both the groups or group 1 and group 2, but only wrote group 2 and targeting group 1 in the May. So we need to balance everything. Getting it? Suppose if you are a fresher student who have not started coaching till date, who have not started preparation or coaching, nothing. First time you are preparing for May 2023 directly. Even you take our materials printout, whatever materials we are giving, income tax, both the materials take printout or better order in our application. You will get amendments file also. Whoever is placing order on or after 25th November, you will get amendments, 40 pages also in the material. That's it. So this is about our updated materials and updated classes. Don't get confused. Even if you're not a Shrestha student, just watch this video. Share this video to your friends also, so that they will not waste money on the new materials and new classes. In the market, all the classes are almost new classes. Whatever classes and lectures apply for November exam, the same classes will apply for May exam. So have a nice time. I just want to clarify this. And I even showed you how many classes that we give. It's like a one-stop solution in Shrestha. Okay, take care. Bye.